everyone, welcome to TechFoozle. Today we're gonna create personal website using pure HTML. You can see this Wayback Machine. This works like a time machine. We can search any website here, and we can see how it looks in when it was in when there was no advanced language. Like let's see yahoo.com. Let's see how it looks. It used to look in 1997. Let's select the date, let's say on Feb 1st 1997. So you can see that it's so simple pure HTML is used here. It's very simple, nothing, no functionality, only links are provided, and now it's very different. Let's check 2018. Let's say March 21st. Let us see the difference between 1997 yahoo.com and 2018 yahoo.com. You can see a lot of difference. So much of functionality has been added over the years because more advanced languages have been introduced recently. So here is it. Now let us create our personal website, simple personal website, by just using pure HTML. I've created a folder on the desktop where I'm going to save it with the name, let's say, web. Now open your text editor. I have Sublime. You can use Atom as well. So let's add this, let's save this in that folder we created, index.html. don't forget the extension. It will not work if we'll not add an extension. Now let's add HTML Boilerplate. I'm gonna add this meta charset in Atom. It's inbuilt, but here I have to add it, and I've told earlier also that it is for it's Unicode. Like all languages we can access our website, our browser experiences enhances. Now let's add the title, my personal site. Okay. So in the body I'm going to give the heading, let's say Rachel Green. Let's say my name is Rachel Green. Believe me, it's not. It's character from Friends. It's not. For example, name is Rachel Green, and let it save and go to the web, that folder we have saved that file in, and here we're gonna see our website on Google Chrome. I prefer Google Chrome to see all your coding results. So here we can see my personal site in the title and Rachel Green as the heading. Now let's add an image. You can add your image. So in the folder where our file index.html is, let's create folder called images, because it'll look more organized. We can simply paste the image in that folder only, in web only, but I'm creating one more folder inside images because it will look more organized. For example, if you have bundle of images, then it will be difficult for you to manage there, so I'm pasting it in the folder. Now let's add image tag. Image tag is self-closing tag, like h1 is not self-closing tag, we have to close it, but images. So here let's add image, and we have to see what is the extension of the image. Let's check, right click, properties, and it is .jpg. So let's add the .jpg and let's hit save and refresh. You can see that icon image didn't appear because I did a mistake here. It's / not dot, so be clear with your coding, with your typos. It can create an issue for you. So here's the image. Now let's add some more stuff to our personal website. I know it will be looking very simple, very simple, but we'll be learning much more. It's just basic. So let's add a paragraph about yourself. You can write about yourself, giving introduction of yourself, like I am computer science graduate, and I love coding. So now I'm gonna add HR. HR is basically a line which will differentiate your content with other content, like it will be like ending line. Let's hit save and see. You can see that line. Yeah, so this shows that our introduction is over. Now we're gonna head over to other topic, other heading, which is education. You can talk about your education. You can write anything like what is your recent qualifications, typos. Okay, let's add an unordered list. There are two types of list, ordered and unordered. So let's see what is unordered list. First, I'm writing I am pursuing masters. This will be my first point. Second will be, every time we have to add new item in the list, we have to start and end the list tag. I have completed my graduation in 2018-19. So let's add HR tag. HR tag is also self-closing tag. You can always head over to W3 School or MDN documentation to see the tags, to learn about the tags, because no one can remember a lot of them. So we can always head over to our documentation. We can always refer that. It's open for everyone. Now let's add another heading, hobbies. So let's do this in ordered list. Here you will see the difference between unordered list and ordered list. It's very much clear with the name as well, ordered and unordered. I love reading. Second, I love coding. I like sports. So let's add a chart tag to show that we are done with this also. There is an option in HR. There is an attribute, no shade. Here we can see that HR highlighted HR when we write no shade there. Actually, HR size attribute will increase the width of the HR. Like if I write 5, see difference? But I want to keep it simple, so let it be. Now let's hit refresh, and simple website it is. Let's add a link to the website. Let's say I like Twitter and I want you to go to the website of the Twitter when you click on Twitter. So how we can do that? Here is anchor tag. In the href we write the link, the like https twitter.com, which will take you to the Twitter website. So let's add, and we have to write the word Twitter between the anchor tags. If you want that that Twitter word should be clicked and then you will be rendered to that website, you have to write that word between the anchor tags. So see, when we click and we are here on the website of Twitter. So this is very basic, very basic HTML. Only ordered and unordered list we have used, and nothing special. So we'll be seeing